Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today we have the FLUKE L210 probe extender kit. These probes, or this kit, was released to the market September the 5th of 2007. And I'm sure you can, that they're still in rotation to this day. Probably on one of the websites or either FLUKE if you were looking for a pair. Fellas, before I start, I'm going to ask for your support. If this is your first time viewing the channel, I'm asking for your support, as I always do, to help the channel to grow. I'm going to extend my handshake as a one electrician to another, or I'm an electrician by trade, one tool lover to another, one tradesman to another, and I need your support. I need you to help the channel to grow. Hit that subscribe button. It's for free. I'm not asking for any of your money or anything. You don't have to pay me or YouTube anything. This is just to get the channel to grow, get the message out there. And if you're a tool lover or whatever the three I just mentioned, you like tools, you like the tools that I show, give me your support. That's all I'm asking, just for your support. I want to thank you, those of you who have given me your support and still hanging in there with me. I appreciate you guys. Now, these are probes right here. To me, safety is number one with me. I mean, safety is number one. There's no getting around it. I do not beat around the bush when it comes down to safety. So if you want to get my attention, let's talk about safety, and you will have my divided attention. Anyway, these probes are very nice probe extenders. What they simply do is they extend your standard size probes that you may use, test leads and probes, to reach a little bit further than usual. Let's say that you want to keep your hands out of a panel where the input, the primary lugs is a little, a ways back, and you don't want to put your hands around all that electricity or whatever. You can put these on the tip. Let me just show you, give you an idea. You can put this on any side. These are Pomona test leads, but they work on just about any set of test leads that have that's made like this one, accessories, that takes accessories. So what you want to do, I want to do this. You want to put this like on the front, and this is a FLUKE probe right here. No, I'll tell you what, I'm going to use one that's not a FLUKE probe so that you know it fits. This one is by Unity, just to show you that it works with just about any probe. So we have a Pomona on the back, test leads on the back, and the probe in the front is a Pomona. It fits. It fits on. So it works really good. And so this is a call for safety. If you believe in it, many people don't talk about safety anymore until someone get hurt. And then it's too late. But I'm talking to if you've been in the field a long time doing electrical, or around your home, either that, or if you just starting out, I would recommend getting a pair of these, even if you don't use them that often, which I don't, but they are accessible to me, and I have them in my bag all the time. This is what I would consider a specialty tool. And you can't go, you may not use it all the time, but the time that you use it, you are glad that you had it. So, and it's not that expensive. I have 3 sets of these. I have 2 sets by FLUKE, and I have a pair of these by TPI. All of them are great. I'm planning on doing a video to compare the two, the TPI and the FLUKE, and I'll make my pick between the two. But they are really nice. They are really nice. And let me get the other one out. The other one. This little light right here, I don't have a battery at the moment. At least it died down. It takes one of those little button batteries. And I've had these probes for a long time, and the battery had died down. So, and I hadn't replaced it because, like I say, I don't, not that I didn't want to replace it. I keep forgetting to get a battery for it. But anyway, this battery this light come in handy as well if you work in a dimly lit area. So I do recommend these types of this kind of stuff here. These are some really nice probes, And that, you know, that's basically like if you have to go really far in something, I guess you could buy two pair of these and connect them together, and there you go. And now your reach is even longer, you know, even longer. And this still, not to mention, you still have this on the back, so that makes it even longer. Now your hand is way out of the panel, you know, and then when you put a probe on the front, can you imagine a reach that you have now? Look at that. You know, so that's why stuff like this, to me, is very important. Um, I like these probes, and I can't remember how much they cost, but you know they are flukes, and you get what you pay for. And they were not cheap. They weren't expensive, but they were not cheap in any way. But I needed them, I wanted them, and I got it. So, guys, I want to thank you. There's not too much more I can really say about them, about these probes, without babbling. But I want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for watching. Thank all of you guys who've been posting, you know, your comments, asking questions. I really appreciate that too. Stick around for the next video. There will be more coming. And in the meantime, you guys take care. I'm out.